Morty, give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, alright,
What's up, my Barbies and Kens, and Happy New Year! I haven't seen y'all since last year. Now let me stop. But anyways, this is a vlog. I just felt like turning on my camera and vlogging today. So that's what I'm gonna do. Being that it's a vlog, I basically just gonna get myself back up or whatever, because my hair is looking crazy. I got some cornrows in right now, and I need to re-put my wig back on, which is this pink wig or whatever. If you follow me, then you see me in this wig already, but if you haven't, you'll see it. You'll see me wearing it today, because I need to touch up this pink on my hair because it's fading. So I'm basically gonna touch my hair up or whatever, install my wig, all that good stuff. This isn't a vlog. I mean, this isn't a tutorial, it's a vlog, so I won't be going into detail. Y'all just basically gonna see me chilling today, because I thought, why not just vlog? I haven't posted a good vlog in a while, so that's what I'm gonna do. Do y'all see the skin though? The skin is definitely giving what it's supposed to give, giving very clear. I do have a video coming for y'all soon about my must-haves, facial and hygiene regimens or products that I can't live without. So if y'all trying to get skin like this, I'm definitely gonna be having that for y'all soon. Make sure y'all like, comment what city you from and your time that you're watching this, and make sure you subscribe to become a Barbie or King. You're gonna love it over here, period. So yeah, let's get to it.
Big J back on this track. Big J back on this track. track.
So that's the end of this video. I had to come up in here because it's better lighting than my ring light, which is crazy. I do need to get a new ring light, but this is the end result, y'all. She's been fried, dyed, laser side, rewashed, recolored, more vibrant, as y'all can see, and curled. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe because it's fun over here. If you're a party pooper, then don't subscribe. But if you lit, then you subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, just subscribe, because just subscribe. If you don't like my content, by all means, you can always unsubscribe. But I promise y'all gonna live it over here. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any videos with your girl. And yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So I'm finna go, y'all. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.